Pose SR number 3 spray is used to remove permanent ink stains and adhesive stains that are firmly attached to the surfaces of all kinds of medical instruments or skin, which cannot be cleaned with regular cleaning solutions. You will need the cleaning solution, a scraper, a brush, and a clean cloth. Stubborn adhesive stains on various instruments. Ink stains. Spray the solution over the instrument thoroughly to remove ink and adhesive stains, holding the spray 6 to 8 inches away from the surface.